So let's see another OS upgrade. See if it can actually do this. I'm very curious. So right now I have a HP Pavilion DV6835NR. Pretty dirty. Haven't used it in a while. So what do we have on this? Oh, yeah, that mouse isn't hooked up. So we have a Intel Core 2 Duo T5550 at 1.83 gigahertz, 4 gigs of RAM. I believe that's the highest this one can do. It's currently running Windows 7, Service Pack 1. And I want to see if I can do an upgrade to Windows 10. Now, I'm not going to be doing a wipe and install. I'm going to see if this can do an upgrade. And it's like the Windows 3.0 to Windows 3.1. Well, I mean, there's not a lot on this machine. So, actually, I think I installed Windows 7 on this couple months ago, maybe over a year and a half, maybe, I don't know. Windows 7 is coming to an end of life next year, so I do have time. But, I mean, this machine is not going to be, well, I mean, it can be useful. Windows 7 is still a thing. So, but anyway. Now, my big concern is going to be the graphics. There are no actual graphic drivers for this. If Windows 10 can use, it's just standard whatever VGA, standard stuff. That would be, good for this. It is rocking a 120 gig, I think, SSD. So I am currently running a backup of the system, just in case anything goes wrong. And when that is finished, I will start the upgrade process. So stay tuned. So the Windows 10 installation is in there. The backup is done, and let's start this up. This is going to be a very speedy machine to run this on, I know. But I think at the very end of this, this is just going to be playing music, if it's what I want it to do, and yeah. We'll see. Oh. Doing something. You can do it. Oh, wait a second. Here we go. Oh, all right. Well, that's really nice. I'll come back. All right, downloaded updates, and it told me that Windows Security Essentials is not compatible with this version of Windows. Yeah, so let's install. And we'll be back. So, yeah, it's been going for about like 40 minutes now, and it's only like 6.5%. If you can hear that. This thing actually is it's just a really loud machine. It's really dirty machine too. I should actually just tear it apart and clean it if it wants to be kept being used. If it works, I'll clean it up, reapply thermal paste, and go on with it. But yeah, it's just taking a long time for this thing to actually go do its business. Finally restarting in a few moments. Finally. Oh, my goodness, it's quiet. Firing back up. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hi. Okay, well, and this will take forever and a day again. So, one of its many reboots during the installation. But, yeah. Windows 10 is starting up. We're up to 75%. Hey, we got this far. Really pushing some air through that. It's always been like that, though. I mean, like, so I got this machine actually from somebody that I did computer work for before, and it was originally with Windows Vista. So, it always sounded this loud. So, like I said, I'm probably gonna like open this machine up and clean it out at some point. But I'm just gonna go through the rest of the setup process at this point. Okay, so what do we have? Everything seems to be running, and this is a shock right here. The display adapter, the 965 Express. Piece of crap, but it sees it. It's okay. And so we have a 120 gig Kingston right here. It's still really running. It is really running. But yeah, that's the thing. Oh, okay, it shot up. It shot up and the fan went a little lower. I don't know. Like yeah, I'll figure that out maybe. Or if I think it might just be a problem with the OneDrive setup. Okay, now okay. We're getting a little more calm. But basically the only thing that's happening is OneDrive setup, which happens when you first run it and when it does updates and whatever. So anyway, here we go. So we have this is the most, you know, that I thought might be a problem. Which apparently it isn't. I don't know what that is. And device descriptor fails. Descriptor failure. I have no clue what that is. So that is a interesting hardware unseen, but you know, the you can't see it. I can't see it at the same time. Whatever, who cares? The trackpad works. Let's just say the trackpad works. The wireless works. Sound works. Although, listen to this. Left channel. This is supposed to. Oh, and then we have right channel. So left channel is gone on this. I don't know if that's like a loose cable, what have you. At the very end of this, it doesn't really matter, because if I'm going to be using this for the purpose that I really want it to, I'm going to have an external DAC on this. So the onboard audio is not really a concern. But I just thought it was weird that left channel and then the right channel just actually works. And that is like a weird thing. But everything else seems to be okay. Motor. Yes. Here we go. Yes, it still has a modem. Pretty dark. Trust me, it has a RJ11 and RJ45 on there. Network adapters. Here we go. 802.11g, Broadcom, wireless works fine. Realtek, yeah, that works fine. Performance, yeah, we're still up at, yeah, okay, about half of it. Memory's fine. Disk is fine. I mean, it's a solid state. I like that with solid state. With Windows 10, much better than a mechanical. So what are the details on OneDrive? For God's sakes, OneDrive. So anyway, it looks like it actually installed as it should. I just want to check out a video. I mean, this is probably not gonna. Do that. Can I spell my name? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Okay, so this might be a bad idea, but it's been a while since I made a video. Alright, 720. And, I just got finished watching you know what? 720 video about who cares? Upgrading 3.0. Alright, let's see. We're is there a volume control on this keyboard? Right here because, anyway, yeah, shut up. I was just thinking about the machine or the video that I made about it. So yeah. Not bad. Still rather loud. What? Yeah. That stupid thing. I mean, it is the latest. It really is the latest version of Windows 10. Let's So 1809, and apparently it did all the updates. So yeah, 1809, all the updates probably on the install. So anyway, that is it works. That's all I can say is it works. I mean, it's a Core 2 Duo, whatever, the oh, there it is. T5550. It's running Windows 10. So this computer will have updates how long? Who knows at this point, I guess. So anyway, I guess that's it for this machine at this point. I might do another machine where I tear it down and clean it up, because there has to be just skunk buildup in this thing, because it wouldn't be like this loud all the time, hopefully. Although these HPs, from what I read, probably aren't the greatest in their thermals. Anyway, not much of a video, just saying it can be done. And I'll see you in the next one. We got some more stuff going on. Some more installs to do. Yeah, kind of curious as to what it downloads when it's doing the install during the update. If there's more installs to do after the update. Hey, I guess as good as mine, maybe even better. So if you have it, you know, do a comment if you want. Finally, apparently I am up to date. So let's see how long it takes for this to restart. And that's one thing. This machine, it's like the restart actually seems like it. You know, well, it obviously you heard it. It turns off the fans and everything else. Interesting choice there for designing this machine, but. Hey, you know what? You know, look at this. This is a complete it's a restart. It's not a shutdown, and which puts it which puts it into I can't multitask, like hibernation. It you know, yeah, there you go. That is what, a minute for a full reboot, maybe less. So you know what, it's not actually performing too poorly, you know, for a machine of its age, you know, originally coming with Windows Vista. So there you have it. HP Pavilion DV6850 It can run Windows 10. Now you know.